bought a Shelby. That will come in a later video, but today's video is going to be about learning how to drift. Colton might take it out on the track today, but I'm mostly going to stick to the skid pad. So yeah. Okay guys, so me and Colton went out on the skid pad. Colton went on the skid pad once and you can only go out there for 5 minutes. So he was out there and then we took it on the track for 2 laps. But now it is so hot that we don't have power steering. But he did really good, so it's okay. So we're gonna see if when it cools down, if we get the power steering back, and then I'll try if we can. If not, then
we'll make it work.
Successful 2 laps.
We'll make it work.
So come to find out, do you see where the power steering lines are? It's getting too hot. So we're gonna jack it up and zip tie it and see if that will solve the problem.
We're gonna pull it away from the headers, zip tie it, and see if it will keep it from getting too hot.
Okay, it's not that much farther away from the header, but we'll see. It'll do. Power steering feels good.
Yep, power steering feels better. It just overheated a little bit, but we're back on it. We're back on it.
Keep sliding off the clutch.
Yeah. Woo! There you go. There you go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going.
All right, guys. I just got done with my turn. Feel pretty good for being my first time ever doing it. I don't feel like I did good, but I I did good for my first time. So yeah, we're gonna eat lunch and then we'll get back out there. We'll see if Colton goes back on the track, but I'm just gonna stick to the skid pad. So yeah, sorry we can't get any outside footage. Next time we come, we're gonna try and have a GoPro on the outside of the E30 and then have one on the inside too, and then also just film with our phones, but gonna try and work with some angles for you going forward in the future. Okay guys, we just got done. Colton did 3 or 4 laps, I believe, and then the power steering started smoking. I spun out on one of the corners, ended up like looking at a tire wall, and it started smoking out of the front, but it's whatever. It's cooling off right now, and then it'll be my turn. Hey Colton, you want to show us the power steering fluid?
Empty. I don't know where it's coming out of, but...
So that's our next thing. Our next thing as soon as we get home is to figure out where the leak is coming from and then get that solved. But other than that, for the first time of us, at least like ownership with this car, beating on it, it's doing pretty well for its first track day, so can't complain. And we'll get that issue figured out. Okay guys, so we definitely could have done the fix here, but it would have taken like running to the parts store and it would have taken like an hour or two, and it's already 1:30, so it's just not worth it. It's not gonna have enough time. Track closes at 4, so we're just loading up right now. And yeah, so I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I really appreciate you guys coming along for our journey. And yeah, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and follow along with our journey for drifting and drag racing and all that.